Welcome to the in front of me POCO M5, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the additional settings. Now tap here to gesture shortcuts and click to launch Google Assistant. Now just to activate to link Google Assistant from power key, we should click once on the switcher, and after that one will press and hold for half of the second. We can use Google Assistant. If you wanna just turn off this option, click on the switcher, and now we can see that the Google Assistant feature from power button is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.